Horizontal lines on your LG TV screen ruining your viewing experience? The fix might be easier than you think. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to get rid of those lines with step-by-step solutions tailored to your LG TV. The first thing you should try is power cycling your LG TV. Start by turning off the TV and unplugging it from the power outlet. Then, find the physical power button on the TV itself, not the remote, and press and hold it for at least 15 seconds. After that, leave the TV unplugged for about 30 minutes. This helps any leftover power inside the TV to drain out completely. Once the time is up, plug the TV back in and turn it on to check if the horizontal lines are gone. This simple step can often fix the issue without needing to do anything else. Now turn off your TV and unplug all the HDMI and other external cables connected to it. Take a close look at the cables and see if any of them look damaged. If they do, you'll need to replace them. If you have some compressed air, use it to clean out the cable ports gently, just to make sure there's no dust or debris causing a bad connection. After that, plug the cables back in securely, making sure they're firmly in place. You can also try connecting them to a different HDMI port on the TV to see if that makes a difference. It's also a good idea to test your TV with a different device, like a Blu-ray player or game console. This will help you figure out if the problem is coming from the TV or the device you're using. Make sure there are no electronic devices like speakers or Wi-Fi routers placed too close to your TV. These can sometimes cause interference that shows up as horizontal lines on the screen. After that, go into your TV's settings menu and select All Settings. Then go to Support and choose Picture Test. If you see the horizontal lines during the picture test, it likely means there's a problem with the TV itself. But if the lines don't appear, then the issue is probably coming from one of the connected devices or cables. Open your TV settings and go to All Settings. Then select Support and choose Software Update. Check if there's a new update available and install it. Also, make sure the Auto Update option is turned on so the TV stays up to date in the future. If you're using an LG OLED TV, go to All Settings, then Picture, and open OLED Panel Settings. From there, select Pixel Refresher and let it run once. Don't run it more than once in a short period, as that can affect your screen quality. Next, try Reset Picture Settings. Go back to the Picture section in the settings and select Picture Reset to bring the picture settings back to their original default. This can help if the lines are being caused by incorrect settings. Also, check if energy saving is turned on. Go to the Picture section again and find Energy Saving. Set it to Off and see if that changes anything on the screen. If nothing has worked so far, try Factory Reset. Go to General in the settings, then choose Reset to Initial Settings. Follow the instructions on the screen to reset the TV. Just keep in mind that this will erase all your apps and settings, so only do it if you're okay with setting things up again. That's it for this video on how to fix horizontal lines on your LG TV screen. I hope these step-by-step methods helped you clear up the issue and get your screen looking the way it should. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Got any questions, or did one of these steps work for you? Drop a comment below. I'd really like to know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.